How to close a trade on TastyTrade. Welcome to today's guide on how to close a trade on TastyTrade. Closing a trade is easy when you know the right steps. First, log into your TastyTrade account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Portfolio tab to see your open positions. Next, find the trade you want to close. Your open positions will be listed here. Click on the trade you wish to close. Once you've selected your trade, you'll see an option to close position. Click that button to move forward. You'll be prompted to confirm the trade close. Check that everything looks correct. Then click Confirm to finalize closing the position. Once confirmed, the position will be closed, and you'll see a confirmation message. The funds or any changes will reflect in your account shortly. And that's it. Now you know how to close a trade on TastyTrade in just a few simple steps. Happy trading! Thanks for watching.